We're going to begin tonight with breaking news. A jury remains deadlocked after a second day of deliberations in the federal trial of Victor Hill. They've agreed on 2 counts, but are still far apart on the other 5 against the suspended Clayton County Sheriff. Now, Hill is accused of using a restraint chair in his jail to punish inmates by strapping and handcuffing them to the chair for hours at a time.
This case has been developing all day long. We want to get right out to 11 Alive's Doug Richards, who is at the federal courthouse with where we stand at this hour. Doug?
Well, we know that the jury in this case has told the judge that they are deadlocked on 5 of the 7 counts in the case against Victor Hill. And we also know that the jury has told the judge that there is one sort of troublesome juror who seems to be slowing things down a bit as they make their case against the suspended Clayton County Sheriff. Sheriff Victor Hill doesn't dispute that he used a restraint chair to immobilize some inmates in his jail that he considered to be troublemakers. State officials presented testimony indicating they were chosen for the chair merely because they had angered the controversial yet popular Clayton County Sheriff. Now the jury is deciding the case, and former DeKalb County prosecutor Robert James says it would be no surprise if the case is contentious in the jury room.
It's just very difficult to find 12 people that are willing to say that a law enforcement officer that was presumably acting within the scope of their duties or discharging their duties committed a crime. It's got to be something that's extreme or beyond the pale, so it's just hard. So we told you that there were 2 verdicts reached by this jury. We do not know what those verdicts are. We don't know on which particular charges, and we do not know if they are innocent or guilty verdicts. Presumably we'll find that out. We do know that there will be verdicts in this case. We just don't know how many, and we may find out tomorrow. Live at Federal Court, Doug Richards, 11 Alive News.